Hi friends! Are the apps running in the background consuming unnecessary storage space on your HTC One device? Here's how you can get more storage space. You will notice a slight difference in the screen transitions than the actual device screen transitions here. On the home screen, tap on the apps icon to view all the apps. Scroll down the screen and then tap on Settings. On the Settings screen, scroll down to Phone section and then tap on Storage. Scroll down to Make More Space option and then tap on it. Here you can view the space consumed by installed apps, images in the gallery, music files, and browser cache. You can delete the content you no longer need from here. Now tap on the back key and then tap on Apps to view the apps running in the background and downloading data. To disable such apps from running in the background, swipe to the All tab on top. Tap to select the app you want to disable, tap on Disable, and then tap on OK to confirm. Wasn't that easy? Have a nice day!